Is now a good time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In today's video, we're diving deep into Microsoft. We recently published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and deep analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.45. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We've observed a gain of 7.84% in the stock's value. This means that on average, the stock has had a daily return of 0.27% since it was marked as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential 12.07% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return between 8.03% and 17.69%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 42.86% change over the next year, with a potential return between 27.68% and 49.59%. This means the price could range from $515.91 to $604.44 after a year. Our latest update on Microsoft brings exciting news. Microsoft stock upgraded to buy candidate. On the last day of trading, Friday, February 16, 2024, the Microsoft stock price experienced a slight decrease of -0.615%, going from $406.56 to $404.06. Throughout the day, the stock showed some fluctuation, with a low of $403.53 and a high of $408.27, representing a 1.17% difference. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of -1.74%. Although volume increased by 51,000 shares on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $8.74 billion worth of Microsoft shares were bought and sold, with a total of 22 million shares traded. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $420.82, while the lowest price was $245.61. Currently, the price stands at $404.06, which is 3.98% or $16.76 below the 52-week high. It's important to note that this high is not only the highest price in the past 52 weeks, but also the all-time high for the stock. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Microsoft Corporation (MSFT). Let's start with the report from Oppenheimer on Wednesday, February 7, 2024. They gave Microsoft an overweight grade and upgraded their action. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, BMO Capital also released their rating for Microsoft. They gave it an outperform grade, but maintained their hold action. RBC Capital also provided their analysis on the same day. They gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. William Blair also released their rating on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. They gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, Barclays gave Microsoft an overweight grade with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating across various metrics. They highly recommend investing in Microsoft, considering its P/E ratio and price to book as strong buy. The stock is expected to provide a significant return on investment, earning a strong buy rating from analysts. Today, we're taking a closer look at Microsoft and analyzing its stock signals. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -3.92%. It's expected to continue its decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there's currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. We'll need to monitor the stock closely. However, there are also some positive signals to consider. The Microsoft stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but at the same time, there's a buy signal from the long-term average. This indicates a general buy signal for the stock, giving it a positive forecast. In terms of resistance and support levels, the stock may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $410.91 on further gains. On the other hand, it may find support from the long-term average at around $395.61 on a fall. It's important to note that a breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. In this video, I'll be sharing some interesting signals with you. Let's get started. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, it's indicating a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was generated 6 days ago. Bollinger, it's showing a buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, this one is suggesting a sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 27 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for more insights. Short moving average, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 77 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, a buy signal was observed 74 days ago. If you want to find more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about Microsoft support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Microsoft support level can be found at $397.58, which means that if the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity. Historically, when the support level is tested, we often see an upwards reaction in the stock price. The stock tends to have controlled movements overall, making it a low-risk option. With good liquidity, there is enough trading volume to ensure smooth transactions. Looking at the recent data, we can see that Microsoft had a price range of $4.74 between its highest and lowest points in a single day, which represents a 1.17% change. Over the course of the last week, the stock's daily average volatility was 1.35%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's first go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is typical for companies with a long history or steady revenues. Moving on to other news, Microsoft's next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are set at $2.81. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $406.32. If you're not a shareholder yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward trend, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $397.58. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, potentially leading to a rebound. The average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is considered a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involve Smith Bradford L., who bought and sold a total of 48,003 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations show a positive insider power ratio of 4.536. Overall, insiders have purchased 336,402 shares and sold 288,437 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $386.86, which represents a decrease of 4.26%. This stock is known for its low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 5 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Although there are some negative signals and indicators currently affecting its development in the short term, we believe that the current price presents a potential buying opportunity. Over the course of the next 3 months, we expect the price to increase. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the stock, and they suggest that the current price is undervalued. On Tuesday, February 20th, we anticipate Microsoft to open up $1.23 and start trading at $405.29. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us provides information for educational purposes only and should not be solely relied upon for investment decisions. By accessing and using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We value your opinion. Also, what is your target for the stock? Share it with us in the comments. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.